I've been with Wapaka Foundry for 13 years now. I'm a maintenance foreman. In the maintenance department, we try to keep everything up and running, minimize downtime as much as possible. I've always enjoyed repairing equipment. I like when you can make something better, make improvements on something, take something that was mediocre and make it great. I'm on the career path that I want to be on. It's a good place to work. I think it'd be kind of hard to find this sort of environment working anywhere else. It's a little bit different than your typical factory setting. Most of my friends are at work. We're definitely a proud group. Everybody's proud of what they do and they put their heart into things. I mean, we do make a lot of things that make the world go round. We make tractor weights, we make brake rotors, we make parts for transmissions, very high quality parts. We're always investing in the future and trying to make improvements, make things better, make things more efficient, stay ahead of the curve on things.